We'll guide you through how to hide like reels from friends on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, so you may have noticed that if we go and start watching reels at the top, you can go and switch to friends. There, you'll be able to go and see reels that your friends have liked. Now, you may go and find that you don't want others to be able to go and see your like reels in that tab. So what you can do is we can go and hide this and go and turn it off so they aren't going to be shown there. Make sure it is full guide so you know what to do step by step. Perhaps you just want a bit more privacy, or there's another reason why you want to do this. But we're going to guide you through it. So to get started, you need to come to your Instagram profile page, as we already are. You can go and press your profile icon in the bottom right to get here. Next, you need to go and head to the top right and you'll go and find the three lines. Tap there to open up your settings and activity. Now what you need to do is you need to go and head down and you want to come into the section who can see your content, and in here you'll go and see the option activity in friends tab, and you want to come into here. Now you're going to go and see the option for who can see your likes and comments on reels in the friends tab. So the moment it says followers, you follow back, aka friends. That's what defines a friend on Instagram. But what you can do is go and select no one like this. So now our friends can't go and see our activity, like likes and comments on reels. It's that simple. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.